what is it that I just want to do to the trade to make some minor adjustment? Am I pulling a V32 kind of strategy? It could be an M3.4U, but all of these are, I guess the fluid nature of all these trades is the ability to kind of, pick and choose strategies to be able to accomplish what you want. And I think what you're showing here is how, I don't even know what you call this trade anymore. It's just a combo,
Well, yeah, we went through different things, and this is why it's important to, right? So most people come at this income trading thing is I'm going to find a trade and it's going to work all the time, and no matter what happens, it's always doing the right thing.
Yeah, I think this is really nicely showing how you can kind of go and you have a basic strategy, and you may have to start off with something, and then knowing that you could be going in and out of, two, three, four different effectively trades, but the only thing you're doing is just taking different concepts to accomplish what you need to do.